Hello, it's me, your fellow cable hater. Do I have a product for you, buddy? Welcome to the Phenyx Pro in-ear monitor system. That's right, it's a $200 IEM set that plugs into a sound interface. That's pretty sick. So we're here to test it out. It's brand new. They just released it. I'm gonna give you guys as much information as I can find on it. We're just gonna kind of test it out. Let's get it open. It comes with one portable transmitter, one body pack receiver, one XLR adapter, one Type-C dual charging cable, one in-ear monitoring earphones, and one leather storage pouch. So you know it's fancy. So it's got stereo, mono, monitoring, professional quality sound, 16 selectable frequencies, 164-foot wireless range, dang, 7-hour battery life, compact and portable design, and multi-receiver connectivity. Small in size, powerful in performance. We'll see about that. 24-bit, 48 kilohertz digital circuitry, delivers dynamic sound reproduction and ultra CD quality audio fidelity. I've never seen anything like it though. Ooh. Yeah, nice leather pouch. Says Phenyx Pro on it. Got a little drawstring bag. Alright. Alright, then you have your user manual. Got a big Phenyx Pro sticker. You already know that's going on the wall. Who's the Phenyx Pro? I am. We have regular USB, and then it splits off to two Type-Cs. We have the actual monitors themselves. Very nice. And the cable is really thin. Okay, and then what do we have here? Wow. Well, that's a fancier cable. We got an XLR to audio jack. That's interesting. Okay. And we have our a little transmitter. I feel like the CIA secretly sent this to me to spy on me. You know, that looks like freaking like secret spy technology, doesn't it? It's cool. I like it. Makes me feel like a freaking spy, man. Wow. If you just like had this in your backpack with no explanation, you get in trouble. They're like, what's this? What you got here? And it's an XLR output and then a little antenna. And then power, channel up, channel down. It's got a battery indicator. It's got a headphone port and a USB Type-C. Okay, that's interesting. And what is this? This is the receiver because this transmits, this receives. So this is something you just clip onto yourself. Like there's a little clip on the back. This plugs into your audio interface, and then this clips to wherever, and then you plug your headphones into this. And then it's supposed to be like really good sound quality like that you would get from your audio interface. That's the idea behind these basically. I hope it works good, man. So sick. And the last piece, we have the big barrel jack connector for, you know, where you plug your headphones in on an audio interface adapter to XLR output. Oh, and I forgot to mention with these, since everybody's ear holes are a little different, they also got other sizes. It comes with medium automatically, but they got the super tiny ones and the extra big ones. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and set this thing up, test them out at the desk, see if the quality is as good as, you know, XLR quality or not, or if it even works at all, or how it works, you know. Hopefully we get some nice crisp audio, and I'll see you guys at the setup. Peace. Hello, it's me. We're back at the setup. So we have the IEMs kind of figured out. It's definitely a really cool technology. I already tried it out. I can walk all around the house. I went all the way to the other side of my house, to the far side of the house, and it still works. It's freaking sick. So you need an audio interface though. I'll leave a link to the one that I use. It's a Scarlett 2i2. I think it was like 200 bucks. They have cheaper ones though. So you just need a TRS connection. So I'm gonna take it out. It comes in two pieces. This is the TRS to XLR connection. So you just plug this into your interface. So I'm just gonna connect these together. This is your receiver. This goes on your person. There's a little clip. It goes on your waist or whatever. And this is what you plug your headphones into. There's a little headphone jack. So you gotta charge these. Okay, the audio interface doesn't provide power, and this is just a battery pack. And it comes with that cable that has two Type-Cs and one USB, which is pretty cool. To turn this one on, you just turn the volume knob until you hear it click, and now it's on. And then for this one, there's a little button right here. You just hold this. Okay, cool. Now they're both on. They're both on the same channel already. If they weren't on the same channel, you could change it with these little buttons. If I want to go to channel 7, I think I'll go to channel 6. I'll go to channel 5 on this one, and then I'll go to channel 5 here. Channel 5. Then I'm going to plug these two together. I found it's easier this way to plug this in directly versus this. Okay, and you'll hear a click. And then you're just going to plug this into the wherever you would normally plug your headphones in to your audio interface. Usually it's in the front. It's really long, obviously, so a little annoying, but so now that that's plugged in, that's it. As long as you already had your headphones set up, if this is where you already use your headphones, then you're good to go. The headphones that come with it, I use them. They're all right. They're not great. The sound quality really isn't there, and that's pretty much what I expected. I'll plug it in and I'll let you hear it. I don't know how well it's going to sound through the mic, but we'll go ahead and just prove that it works. I'm going max volume. Non-copyrighted music, am I right? Okay, well, you get the idea. It works. Prove it. Still got time. Instrumental. Look, I'll go ahead and put everything right here. And then I'll go pause it. And you can see the audio output on the interface too. That's wireless, dude. That's so good. Like I said, you can just put whatever headphones you want in here, so I'm just going to use the regular headphones that I always use, and it sounded really good. Whatever headphones you use for your setup, you can use it for this. Unless you have like, you know, unless the end of yours is like a TRS, then you're kind of screwed. If it looks like this, you know, you're kind of in trouble. But if you got regular headphones, or you got nice ones, you got like some old ones laying around that are better than, I mean, those are just like your default stock headphones. RAP. Dude, that's crazy, bro. I'm way over here. Do you know the content? I forgot. You're not going to hear any of that. Do you understand the content that I can make with this now? That's insane, dude. I'm free. I can do whatever I want. Dude, what's up? It's your boy, and we're gaming over here in the corner now. I'm going to have a keyboard right here. I'm going to be like... Okay, that's sick, dude. All I hear is non-copyrighted music right now. It's great. That's insane. I didn't think I'd be able to use my own headphones on this. That's really cool. And I didn't think it'd be this simple. Like, I think the most annoying part is that it's sticking this far out of my interface. You just gotta kind of have your interface like over here a little bit now. But that's not bad. I'll take it. Okay, so a couple things that I forgot to mention. Number one, the website, I looked on there, they also have something called the PME-10s. I'll put a picture of them or whatever. I'll leave a link for them in the description as well, but they're 20 bucks. They're a pretty big upgrade on the default headphones that come with it, so not bad for 20 bucks. And also, I forgot, I didn't talk about it too much, but the product's not released yet, but they have an Indiegogo campaign page, so I'll show that up here on the screen. And if you back it early, get it now for 27% off, which is a really good deal. So it's a PDP-M. If you go look it up on the website, it's not there yet. I'll leave a link for the Indiegogo campaign page, so definitely take a look and back them if it's something you believe in, and snag it while it's still at a discounted price. All right, I mean, that's pretty much it, man. I don't know what else to say. I'm impressed. I walked all the way to the other side of my house and I could still hear the music through like 6 walls with this little antenna and this one over here, and it was able to reach, and I didn't have like any like drop in sound quality at all. I was like, I walked all the way across the house with my freaking gamer headphones, and it was perfectly fine. Phenyx Pro, definitely check them out. I'll leave a link for them in the description. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. Definitely give it a shot, but just check out the website, see if it's something that's in your budget. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Very impressed. Smash like, subscribe. See you guys in the next tech review. Peace.